So before we get this engine onto the engine stand, we're going to remove the head, remove the tappet rods and these tubes, so we can lighten the load, and also we don't need them on there. So that's what we're going to do. Going to just lift this head up, just wiggle it off as it comes. Should come any second. Near the top. And there we go. Looks like half the tubes have come with it. We're just going to carefully take those tubes out, dripping oil everywhere, which is good. We're just going to go and put the head somewhere safe. So just going to take rods. I've made 1, 2, 3, 4 in a piece of cardboard. Just going to push them through here so we can remember the order they were in. Take this tube out as well. We're just going to put these to one side for now. Remove the last of the tubes and remove these little rubber gaskets, and we're going to remove the main gasket here as well. Head gasket should just start to pull up. Worried about keeping this head gasket. Should always replace it anyway. Oh, it's really difficult to get off, even though I only put it on quite recently. There we go. Out. There we go. Okay, so it's lightened the loading further. So when we lift the engine, what I need to be careful of is these bits coming up. So what I've got here is some washers, which I'm going to just drop on here. I've got some tube which I cut to around about 8.8 centimeters. I'm going to put these washers on top as well, and then I've got the nuts from the head itself, and we're going to put those on. And what this hopefully do is just stop any movement here. Now, there used to be a tool back in the day for specifically this job, but you can't get it anymore, so just making do with these. Just going to tighten those up to make sure there's no movement, and then we should be good to lift the engine. So just lifted the engine straight onto our engine stand. It's now certainly nice height where we can work on it, and also we can turn it upside down, so I'll just demonstrate that. So we just pull this pin and we can just rotate the engine to anywhere we want and slot the pin back in. So I have full access. We can turn it right upside down, and and rods can fall out. That's the rod for the fuel pump. I'll go and put that near the parts washer. Yeah, now it's on the engine stand, we've got nice access to it.